Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have a total crypto market daily update. We are going to see Bitcoin and Ethereum and all the altcoins. Before we begin, do not forget to join our monthly subscription. Patreon/Mind Your Crypto is the link you will find in the description box and in the comment section. You will get easy profits trading 200 altcoins, a manual system with over 90% win ratio, personal guidance, educational videos to become expert in the technical analysis and hold your future in your hands, market updates, random giveaways, spine scripts, and many other benefits. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. Let's go right now and see Bitcoin. So what is Bitcoin doing right here? We have eventually stopped at the 48k. If you remember, 48 to 50k was our target back then from February. What can happen next? Do we have any bearish signs or any bullish signs at all? Can we go even higher from now, or should we be careful because we might have more of a correction for Bitcoin? We are going to analyze everything right now. So the first thing we want to see and we want to say is that we have not approached the bottom trend line yet. Okay, so perhaps maybe this is not a bearish flag formation, but I have to say that maybe we have a bearish flag formation which insists of this price action right here. When you have a downtrend, you are going a little bit higher lows and higher highs, but eventually you are crumbling down and you are going all the way further down. We are going to see more price targets for Bitcoin, more price targets on the 4-hour frame as well to see where are we, can we go even higher potentially because we have formed a bullish RSI divergence on the 4-hour frame and many more things. Right now, let's go to Ethereum against USDT. Ethereum against USDT sounds more strong, right? It is more strong. I think that Ethereum against USDT will be going further higher. Yes, 3.5k was my target right there for Ethereum, but I think we can be going even higher and we can go to the next target, maybe even at 4k. I will just tell you what I think about Ethereum and why do I think that Ethereum could easily be approaching the 4k and why not even higher. But let's go to some targets right now. So what Ethereum has to do on the 4-hour frame and on the daily frame as well. Ethereum has to close above a certain target, in which will be right here from the top to the bottom. If I draw the Fibonacci retracement, will be the 3.467. If we go above here, then we will be going to the next price targets, which will be the 3.6, 3.7 and 3.8k. Yes, we can go all the way upwards, but for now, we need to close above the 3.467. Okay, if we do that, then we can go potentially into the next price targets. Let's go to Ethereum against Bitcoin chart. Right here you can see that Ethereum against Bitcoin chart does not want to drop. Instead, I feel like we are going to go even higher. On the time being though, we found rejection on the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement, and this is where we should be careful, because if we do not on this week, if we do not form a green candlestick and we have another push upwards, then with the weekly close we won't be going even higher, and this will mean that we might be forming, and of course, an inverted hammer candle, a bearish inverted hammer candle, and we go down. Okay, so eventually we have to see if we can manage to have a buying pressure until this Sunday, or if you want better, this Monday. At the start of the Monday with the weekly close, we want a nice green candlestick to push upwards all the way, maybe into the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement. Okay, we are going to see right now, of course, the 100 minus BTC dominance chart right here, which is the altcoin dominance. As you can see, we are forming a descending triangle with same lows and of course the higher lows. Potentially the altcoin's dominance will have a breakout, and I feel like this is what will happen, and I feel like this is why Ethereum and the other altcoins will get dominant again, and we are going to have a massive buying pressure. So I feel like this is not the end for Ethereum and of course the altcoins. This is just the beginning. Of course, that is if Bitcoin will be a little bit good and will give us a nice buying pressure, sorry about that, and not a fake out. For example, we do not want for Bitcoin to have either a crash or a fake out to the downside. Okay, we want to avoid having a crash with Bitcoin. We want to see if we can have a pump and if we can go even higher. For the time being, Bitcoin is having a bullish side divergence as we talked about. And of course, this will mean that maybe we can go into the next price targets, which can be here drawing the fib from the top to the bottom. We might be able to go to the 44k, 44.6 and so on, okay, and the 45.2k. We have now a bullish RSI and things are looking good, maybe to start going a little bit higher. Maybe this will play out, and now we have a nice buying pressure. This will help Ethereum as well get above the neckline. We might be forming a double bottom right here, and we need to go above the neckline to confirm that we are having a double bottom pattern above the 3.3k. So Bitcoin right here is very probable to have a nice pressure on the 4-hour frame, but what's on with the daily frame? What's on with the next days? Bitcoin needs to do right now, needs to go above the 50-day and the 20-day MA. Right now 44k is a very strong resistance level along with the 43k. If we go to surpass all of these right here, then eventually, maybe for Bitcoin, this is not over. Okay, and we can manage to get even higher. In the time being though, we have to be careful for a bearish flag formation. We have to be careful for something that it won't be good. We might be going all the way down right here. And of course, the altcoins dominance will mean that they will not struggle so much with this downfall of Bitcoin, but they will go down in terms of USDT. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription. See you soon with many more videos. Bye.